Hey guys, welcome to Lift Vector. I'm at the flying field today. It's a beautiful day in November. The snow is holding off, so I'm trying to get some more practice in with the Turbo Timber Evolution. This is my first bind and fly I bought from a hobby shop. I've built a lot of flight test planes, but this is my first store-bought plane and I love it. I've taken care of it. I've got about 14 hours on it now. Well, more like 12 hours of flight time, but the timer on my transmitter is at 14 hours. But yeah, I've flown really carefully and now I'm out of safe mode. I've been flying without safe lately, which feels good. So today we're just gonna get her up in the air and do some landing practice and takeoffs and kind of show you what this plane can do. So enjoy the video. And we're going to be running with the Spectrum 3200 4S pack today. Let's get her started up. Got everything recorded. There she goes. Let's do a quick surface check. There's my throws. Got my flaps, and then I do have safe mode just in case, but I run it without safe mode now. I'm feeling confident enough. So there's a guy over there. He's going to start his plane up. He's going to be taking off. Maybe I'll film it after my flight here. But all right, we're good to go. Let's do a little bit of taxiing. Just, that wind's picking up, but we're gonna get up. Nothing the timber can't handle. We'll do some practice landings with some breeze here. But let's get her up in the air. All right, here we go. I think I'm going to fly kind of on this side where the sun isn't directly in my eyes. And then just be aware of that wind when I'm coming in and turning. Yeah, she's just floating. Do a little flaps pass here. Yeah, it's northwest west wind. I'm just kind of focusing a little bit. Sometimes it's hard to talk while flying, but let's bring her in for a little bit of a yeah, so it's a little bit of a crosswind. Hopefully it dies down a little bit. Got the flaps down. Ooh. Yeah, that wind is an issue, but it's good practice. Flaps up, kick that rudder out. Yeah, this getting a little break in the wind, it's nice. I'll come in and I'm gonna kind of land at an angle on the runway here. Just because the wind isn't perfectly out of the west. That was a low pass. All right, let's try to get her on the ground this time. Flaps down, kind of slipping it in. That wasn't bad. Let's get right back up. All right, he's getting his plane started. Nice. Flaps down. Got a little sketchy there. Yeah, that wind is causing me a little bit of issues, but let's bring it in. That wind is definitely picking up here. Get another takeoff. Let's do no flaps. Get that tail up. All right. Sun is blinding. All right, yeah, he's getting his plane started. I'm gonna land it so he can do his thing and film his plane. Whew. All right, let's take a little break here. All right, we got a real plane taking off today at the field. It's a private runway, shares with the AMA field here. This should be pretty cool. He's heading east right now, and the wind is coming out of the northwest, so he's got a little bit of a crosswind, not too much. He's gonna have to turn around up there. All right, he's got his checks done. He's coming in. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna try to get another flight in while he's up, and then just keep an eye out, and then when he comes in, I'll land and let him do his thing. All right, that was pretty cool. While he's up, I'm gonna finish off this pack. I got plenty of juice left. It's about 4 volts per cell right now, so let's just let's get some better landings in, huh? That's the plan right now. Just try to be patient. Be patient with my landings, get low, get in that ground effect, and not come barreling in like a maniac. But the wind is still, 5 to 10 miles an hour, west, northwest. But let's get the flaps down. Camera's rolling over there. Do a little bit of taxiing here. All right, let's take off. Tail comes right up. Flaps up. Fly past that sun real quick. Flaps down. Slip it in. All right, get it back up. Flaps up. That was kind of a quick turn, I gotta be careful. All right, throttle up, kind of let her settle in, flaps down. That was good. Oh, oh, it's all right. That was a little bit of a mistake on my part, but she should be all right. Yeah. All right, let's not do that again. It's that wind, man. It's tricky. It's kind of a crosswind, kind of not. Flaps up. Don't get blinded by the sun. Kind of did. Let's do a low pass here. We're not going to land. All right, that was really close. Let's bring her around. Flying inverted. Just roll out of it. Happy to have that AS3X today with the wind, man, I'm telling you. I mean, it doesn't affect things that much, but it helps. Let's get those flaps down. Let's get in low. Kind of get a nice stabilized approach here. All right. All right, we're coming to the kind of the middle end of the battery. Let's do another one of those here. Flaps down, slip it in. Get that tail down. That was good. All right, one more here. Swing her around, flaps down. All right, can't end like that. We gotta do another one. Flaps up, heavy on the rudder. Let's get more stabilized approach this time. Flaps down. Really bring it in slow here. All right, I guess we're landing on the grass. Sweet. She's in one piece. Had a little bit of a sketch moment there, but that happens. All right, Turbo Timber Evolution. Man, I love this plane. I really do try to fly it carefully so it comes back home in one piece, and it has. I've got, like I said, 14 hours in the air, probably more like 12 when you count all the downtime just kind of cruising around on the ground. Yeah, let me know in the comments what your go-to Horizon hobby plane is, what your favorite plane is to fly. I love this Evolution, this Turbo Timber Evolution. It's a great second plane if you're feeling like you're more of an intermediate pilot. And yeah, like I said, I can't wait to get another plane from Horizon Hobby. Most likely the Air Tractor is what I'm looking at. It looks like a lot of fun. Yeah, thanks for checking out the flights. I'm gonna probably pack it up today and see if that plane comes in. Maybe I'll film him landing as well. All right, thanks guys.